never seen the back of the lights do that. They're flickering like with the snow and shit. Weird.
Oh yeah. I think it's coming down a little worse than it appears. Like
Yeah,
it's blowing and snowing pretty good.
Exactly. In here you don't notice it though, eh?
No. I was kind of surprised when we left how much snow there was.
Yeah. It was all covered across the front. Nothing else on it, just the windshield, the way it was blowing in.
Yeah. Definitely the plows were out. Still like no tracks on going the other way.
Nope.
A little bit of bare road there.